In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change your search engine to Google on your Safari web browser. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is select the Safari tab up in the menu bar, and then go down and select where it says Settings. And then you want to select the Search button up here at the top. And where it says Search Engine, click the drop down and select Google. And you also want to use that in private browsing mode. Unless you don't, of course, you just would uncheck it. And that's pretty much it. Please note this does not change the home page of Safari. That is a different setting. And that is pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.